These cannot be written in a textbook. These are all real life experiences.
It has been a very, very nice experience, really enriching, and for me, it couldn't have been at a better time to come.
The programs were curated in such a way that you get a full view of the entire spectrum that the CFO is responsible for.
It leads a great learning in terms of elevating my thinking level to resume the next level of CFO.
The topics which were selected were very simple but very impactful.
I think it's absolutely great. It equips with you the required skill set you need in terms of the soft skills and the managing the stakeholders going forward in your journey as a CFO.
It is very professionally handled and organized. The way they have done their selection process, they've scanned us. Our thought process towards getting into this ladder was all very professionally managed and very effective. So from the first day onwards, only we were thinking that yes, it is something to look forward, which is going to be very helpful and effective. Of course, the Deloitte as such is the name where you are going to learn things which will be useful in our further ladder. So it was very nice thing when we got to know that we have got selected for this.
So I would like to thank Deloitte for conducting such an amazing program. The beauty about this program is it is based on the practical aspect of day-to-day life of a CFO rather than having a theoretical curriculum-based program. And I would not hesitate to say that whatever I am getting out of this program is more than what I expected.
The best thing I like about the program is my ability to connect with my peer set. It also gives me a bird's eye view or a cockpit view of what would a CFO role look like. With the kind of speakers that have come in, they give a much broader perspective of the CFO role, key aspects that a CFO should look into, and the key challenges that a CFO faces. So it is a very contextual program, giving me real life view of a life of a CFO.